Well, next, I'm going to show you how to identify keywords that your competitor is ranking for and you're not. These are your opportunities. On the left side in the SEO toolkit, click Keyword Gap. On the Keyword Gap page, enter your domain in the first field. Next, click the Add Domain field and wait for the pop-up. This will show you what Semrush believes are your biggest competitors. You can click different competitors from the dropdown, add up to 3 more, and follow the same process. And you can even enter domains manually if you want to compare to specific competitors. Once you've got a list, click Compare. When it loads, scroll down and you'll be able to see all the keywords that are shared by you and your competitors. But if you click the Missing tab here, you can see the keywords that your competitors are ranking for that you are not ranking for. In the column that shows your domain, if you see 0, it means you're not ranking for that keyword at all. The numbers for your competitors show you what position they are in on the search engine results page. So Graza.co here is ranking in the 16th position for olive oil smoke point, but Brightland doesn't show up at all for this. I recommend picking a few keywords here that are important to you to try to compete with your competitors with. For example, for Brightland, maybe we want to try to compete on olive oil smoke point, cold pressed extra virgin olive oil, Spanish oil, and olive oil California. Next, let's go to the Weak tab. These are similar to the Missing tab, but these are actually keywords that you do rank for, just much lower than your competitors. Here you can see the second competitor is ranking number 1 for high quality extra virgin olive oil. Same thing here with competitor number 3. They're ranking at number 2, very high. Brightland, on the other hand, is only ranking at 36. So we definitely want to try to rank higher for this. The keyword difficulty is only 41, and there's a volume of at least 1,000 searches per month. So this is a great one to try to target. Let's add this to our list. And here there are a few more low KD keywords. Let's go ahead and add them to our list too.